Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, April 6th, 2026. We will cover the market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all up today. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,611.29, up by 28.61 points, continuing a four-day upward streak. The Dow 30 index closed at 46,669.89, gaining 165.21 points. The Nasdaq Composite Index rose by 117.15 points, closing at 21,996.34. S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index increased to 3,423.56, and Russell 2000 Index closed at 2,540.64, both marking 4 consecutive days of gains. The market breadth was positive today, with major indexes showing more advances than declines. The S&P 500 Index saw 319 advances out of 500, while the Dow 30 Index registered 18 advances out of 30. The Nasdaq Composite Index led with 1,746 advances, affirming its positive closing. Reviewing total and daily returns, Nasdaq had a weekly total return of approximately 0.54%, leading compared to other indexes. The S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index stood positive year-to-date with a 3.58% return. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 showed signs of recovery this month. In sector performance, consumer cyclical led with an increase of 0.8%. The energy sector continues a strong upward trend with a 0.77% rise. Consumer defensive marked a 0.71% gain. Financial services and communication services followed with 0.62% and 0.58% increases respectively, though the trends are mixed. Utilities led declines with a 0.42% drop, despite a strong positive trend. Healthcare fell 0.37% with its negative trend. Basic materials eased by 0.35%, whereas real estate and technology showed gains, resisting the general flat direction in other sectors. South Korea led global ETFs with a 2.4% increase. Norway set a new all-time high close with a strong trend. Finland continues upward momentum on 5 straight gaining days. India and Austria followed, benefiting from market optimism. Focusing on returns, South Korea showed impressive gains at nearly 29.54% year-to-date. Norway also remained strong with year-to-date returns of 29.46%. Despite a challenging year-to-date, India slightly rebounded with a recent week total return of 1.31%. In the tech sector, Apple closed at 258.86, up 2.94, marking 4 consecutive days of gains amidst upward volatility. Alphabet ended at 297.66, up 3.20, but both Apple and Alphabet show a mixed negative trend. Amazon joins with a close of 212.79, also gaining 3.2. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms dropped 1.44 to 573.2, continuing a very strong negative trend. Finally, Nvidia inched up by 0.25 to end at 177.64, sharing the 4-day uptrend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 69,980.35, rising by 975.35 as it heads upward for the 4th consecutive day, despite a mixed negative trend. Ethereum climbs 42.76 to 2,152, enjoying a positive 2% change, marking a 3rd day upward amid mixed trends. BNB gained 6.8 to 607.33, but remains alongside a very strong negative trend. On the other end, Solana continues moving slightly up by 0.25 to 82.10, despite a flat price movement over recent days. Lastly, Dogecoin inches slightly lower by gaining less traction, currently seeing an ongoing strong downward trend. Focusing on returns, Bitcoin posts a week-to-date return of 1.41%, while its year-to-date lags at minus 20.02%. In a contrasting scene, Ethereum scores the highest weekly return at 2.03%, but mirrors negative year-to-date performance. BNB and Solana have accumulated losses, with Solana losing 34% since the beginning of the year. Dogecoin remains deep underwater, with over 21% down year-to-date, underscoring its ongoing volatility.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing mixed trends but is currently down against several key currencies. Euro has strengthened, with its current price at 0.8660. Greenback has weakened against the British pound and the Japanese yen. While volatility is apparent, recent days have seen rather flat movements across most pairs.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI host Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.